Step into a cozy retreat where warmth and charm come together. Welcome to Casa Anexa Lareira, your perfect getaway in the heart of Campos Do Jordao. If you're dreaming of a serene escape surrounded by nature, this could be just the place for you. Don't forget to scan the QR code on your screen or check the video description for more details and booking information. Nestled in one of Brazil's most enchanting mountain towns, this delightful holiday home offers the perfect blend of comfort and rustic elegance. With a spacious garden setting, it invites you to unwind in peaceful surroundings, just a short drive from local attractions like Leisure Centre Tarundu and the stunning Amantikir gardens. Inside, you'll find a lovingly designed space featuring 2 cozy bedrooms, a fully equipped kitchen with an oven and microwave for home-cooked meals, and an inviting living area complete with a flat-screen TV for relaxed evenings. The crowning touch? A charming fireplace that adds a touch of warmth and romance to your stay, making it ideal for chilly mountain nights. Fresh towels and linens are provided for your convenience, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Whether you're exploring the nearby Horto Florestal Park or simply enjoying the tranquility of your private garden, Casa Anexa Lareira promises a memorable stay. Ready to experience this charming retreat for yourself? For more information, don't forget to scan the QR code on your screen or check the description below. Your perfect mountain getaway awaits.